Hello students, we are going to continue lesson number 18, that is environment and us. In today's part we are going to understand the efforts or the projects which are opened by the government or maintained by the government to maintain the biodiversity, to stop the deforestation and maintain the environmental balance. What is the first point they are doing given in the lesson? They are growing trees, different type of trees, and developing, that is named as biodiversity park. An area is selected and different type of plants are grown there, and these are known as biodiversity parks. They are preserved by the people appointed there, and they maintain the biodiversity. And also animals are made there to stay. It is, they accept it as their homes. It is made a home for the animals. Then national parks. Some areas are protected for only wild animals. For example, given here the names are in the lesson, that is Kaziranga National Park and Tadoba National Park. In Maharashtra also nearby to us, it is that National Park of Sanjay Gandhi Udyan in Borivali. These are the areas where there are conservation of wild animals or wildlife is being protected. Then sanctuaries. These are the forest areas reserved for conservation of plants and animals both. Such a reserved area is called as sanctuary. Which example is given in the lesson? Radhanagari sanctuary. So if the plants of the earth are destroyed and number of animals are also decreasing, then these type of places are maintaining the which animals number are decreasing day by day and which plants are decreasing day by day. Plantation is done and protection is done to the place. Now we should understand the basic requirement to maintain these biodiversity parks, national parks, sanctuaries. What important factor is required there? Water. So a small lake or a pond or a dam is being built in that nearby place so that water can be provided to the animals, to the growing plants. Which type of lake example is given in the lesson? Mayani Lake. Then it is then from where the water is taken to this lake, from the dam that is built on the Chand River in Satara district. So not only the plants which or the animals which are in our country, okay, from other countries also some species of plants, animals are brought here and they are also made to stay in this type of places. Then one example of a bird is given here, that flamingos from Siberia come to our country and they also stay near this lake. They lay their eggs, they build nest, and when their children or the small birds of them, they baby birds, they grow enough, they again return to Siberia. But due to global warming is increasing day by day, the drinking water level of the place where the water is stored for the birds, the level of water is decreasing day by day. And when these birds they try to drink that water from that lake, they fall down and they die off. So nowadays they are not coming to our country, they have stopped coming. So such type of example is given here, the importance of water for the protection of biodiversity and the wildlife or the forest life. Some examples of the birds and animals which are preserved in these type of places in biodiversity parks, national parks, sanctuaries. There is a Maldhok, that is named Great Indian Bustard. A sanctuary is there in Nanas in Solapur district. There are huge weight birds, mean they are having a huge large weight of their body, are famous for their graceful gait or their appearance. These birds, where do they live? in the open grassland. What do they eat? They eat the insects. So they are very well preserved, and they are, their importance of those maintenance is mentioned here, how they are secured or how they are preserved. And when they are hunted by the human life or any other wild animal, why they are hunting this type of bird? Because it is huge in weight, it has a great meat inside for them to eat, and their eggs are also eaten. So the number, it sometimes increases or it decreases. So it has been for them to be more careful to maintain this type of species of that bird. Then Maharashtra state has declared Nanas area a sanctuary for great Indian bustard. Only this one type of bird is being preserved there, and deer is also preserved there, or it is staying there in this grassland with that bird. Then 50 km away from Pune, on Ahmednagar highway, the village Morachi Chincholi, your name More means peacock, is famous for peacocks. They are preserving what type of bird? That is the peacock. That is our national bird. The old and well looked tamarind trees are there grown. Their tamarind trees are grown in large number and protected and preserved by the government. They have created a favorable environment, a nice atmosphere, a homely atmosphere for the peacocks. And peafowl have also been found in the sanctuary in this village. Then another interesting thing in the from olden times is mentioned here. Devrai. Okay, Indian culture, our festivals, our culture, our tradition, they reflect on nature. Yes, most of the festivals we celebrate because of the changes in nature or the crop which we grow. In this happiness, we celebrate the festival. This is our Indian culture. The Devrai is an example. People believe that Devrai is a really a jungle reserved for God. They are saying that not a single tree is cut in this place from the time it has been introduced to the human life. From the time the people who are staying nearby, they are saying that not a single tree has been cut, and it is named as Devachi Rai. Rai means a home of where we live, and it is named as Devachirai or Dev Rai. It is safe even till today. In Maharashtra also, we are having many other such type of Dev Rais. And in Madhya Pradesh also, there is one typical Dev Rai, like Dev Rai of Maharashtra, but the name is different. It is known as Sharan Van. So these devrais give shelter not only to plants but also to the animals which live there. In olden time, devrais can be called the sanctuaries of today's ancient times. So today the name which we are giving to sanctuary, or we are calling it as sanctuary, in olden times it was named as devrai. I think you must have liked this lesson, and you will read the lesson and write the question answers in your class work. Thank you.